Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm not gonna work on my truck, but instead I have this car that I'm gonna be working on. It's a Nissan Rouge, and what we're gonna be working, we're gonna try to improve our headlights. The headlights... The headlights in here are just regular halogen bulbs, and to be honest, they're really bad. I'm gonna post a video comparison of this, the halogen bulb, how they look, but I went ahead and picked up these Nilight LED light bulbs because I have similar ones in my truck, so I want to put the same one in here. So we're gonna see what's the difference of headlights gonna be. So let's pop the hood open and install the new light bulbs. It should be very simple and easy. So let's open the box, let's see what's inside. Of course we have a manual with a couple of zip ties, and here are the light bulbs itself. Also comes with the gloves, that's pretty neat. And here are the light bulbs. Right here is our connection, so let's just unplug this. All right, the connector is out. So now let's twist the light counterclockwise. There you go, and let's pull it out. And that's the headlights we have over here right now, which is just a regular halogen bulb. And once again, the LED lights should be positioned like that, final racing position like that, not like that, not like that, but like that. So now let's connect the wire in, and this is done. Now we're gonna do the second side real quick, and we're gonna wait until it gets dark, and we're gonna test them.
Much later.
So unfortunately, as often or sometimes it happens, I make mistakes, and today is one of those learning experiences. I was under the impression that this car takes one light bulb for high beam and a low beam, but it's not the case. It actually requires one light for the low beam and one light for the high beam. So you need two identical lights for the low and a high beam. So since we already replaced the low beam, now we're gonna work on a high beam, which is a little bit more trickier, but it's still doable. There is this little plastic cap that you have to untwist, and then you can take it out, and the light bulb is located right there. I'm gonna try to take a picture of it, but it's right there, so you can unplug it from both sides, and that's where the light bulb gonna be. So now I just have to carefully undo the wire connection, the plug, twist the light and pull it out. So this is the current lights we have over there, which are just the halogen lights, but we are going to replace them with these lights. Hopefully they will still fit. They're much bigger diameter, but we'll see. So one thing to note, this ring that comes with these new lights, I feel like it's too big, so it's very hard to push it in place. So what I did, I took the ring from here, from these lights, and put it over here, which I'm gonna show you again on the next slide, and then it fits in almost no problem. It's still very tight, so there should not be any moisture going in. So now we're just gonna have to connect the wire to the plug. It's a little bit hard to see what's going on there, but the plug is right here. All right, the plug is connected. So now I'm gonna do the second light. The second light is gonna be a little bit harder, but just take your time with it. And then I'm gonna test the light. We may or may not need to change the position of the plug. If the light doesn't come on, we just need to reverse the plug. So as you can see, this ring on the old lights versus this one is much smaller, and it fits in there just perfect. This is a little bit too tight. Even with this ring, it's a little bit too tight. So when replacing this ring with this one, it fits no problem. Alright, both high beams are installed. So now we have a low beam and a high beam on both of them. Now I'm not gonna put these covers in the back. I don't think it's necessary. I don't think there's gonna be moisture inside there. Hopefully not, because if I put these lens covers in the back, then I'm gonna kill off all the circulation for the fan of the LED lights, and that's not gonna be good. For now I'm just gonna keep them on the side. If there is ever gonna be moisture inside, I'll just kind of have to dry the headlights and do something else and put these covers back in place. But we'll see. So now I'm just gonna wait until the dark, and we're gonna test the headlights. Alright guys, so right now, as you can see, I'm driving on this pretty dark street, on this pretty dark road. So this is the low beam. That's how the low beams looks. I mean, yeah, it works, but it barely works. So now I'm gonna switch to the high beam. High beam is slightly better. High beam is actually kind of better, but This is what the stock light looks on this Nissan Rouge. But I hope by switching to those lights we're gonna improve it. Even with a low beam, it will look much better. So once again, I'm on an empty street, so I'm gonna test the headlights right now. And as you can see, we have new LED lights on. This is a low beam, and they're way brighter. I feel like they're way brighter and much better the light output. So now I'm gonna switch it to the high beam, so we can see how much the difference for the high beam when the high beam is on. Yes, we have some light poles over here, but still, this is a big improvement from what we used to have. I'm gonna turn around and gonna drive back again with the low beam and the high beam. So once again, this is the low beam is on. Now I'm gonna switch it to the high beam, and yeah, it's definitely much brighter. I'm gonna try to include 2 video clips of the previous lights and these lights so we can see the comparison. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this upgrade. But what do you think, guys? How's the light output looks versus the old lights? Alright guys, and the headlights are replaced and they're way brighter. It's a big difference that it makes the LED lights from the halogen bulbs. So that was a very nice and quick and easy upgrade. So I'm very happy how it all came out. So as always, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description to these headlights that I bought for this car. And from what it looks to be, it's gonna be some work coming up on this car. It's a new addition to my fleet. Not personal car, but it's something that I'm gonna be working from time to time. So there is some gonna be content on this car as well. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.